There's nothing that speaks fun like a bowl of chicken wings. And today I want to do a nice sweet and spicy barbecue chicken wings. It's going to be nice and smoky, saucy. Let's get started. Now this recipe will be done entirely in an air fryer. So get your air fryers out and let's make these beautiful wings. To get started, all you have to do is pat those wings dry and then generously season them with some salt, pepper, and paprika. If you want it to be a bit more spicy, you can add some cayenne instead of the paprika. Then just give it all a really good toss and then toss it into your air fryer. We'll cook it for about 13 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. You want to make sure that you arrange each wing in the air fryer in one single layer. Don't let any wing lie on top of another or you won't get the crispness that we are looking for. After the first 13 minutes are done, then flip each of those wings. And then you want to cook it for another 13 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. And then once the wings look just like this, nice and golden brown, then take those wings out and then toss them in a bowl. Now add in your favorite barbecue sauce and now add in your favorite barbecue sauce. Today I'm using a nice spicy chipotle barbecue sauce, which is one of my personal favorites. Give that all a really good mix, and what we're looking to do now is to do a final stage of cooking just to caramelize that barbecue sauce so we can get that stickiness that's amazing and my favorite thing about a nice barbecue wing. So once you've tossed it, add them back into the air fryer. You can all put it in one basket or you can split it off, whatever you want, and then turn the heat up to 390 Fahrenheit and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And now all that's left for you to do is serve these beautiful wings with your favorite sides. For me, my personal favorite for now is the poutine, and that's what I decided to make. So that's what I'm gonna have today with my barbecue wings, and there is gonna be some residual sauce that's left behind in that basket. Now if you want a saucier wing, then you can put all of that into your plate. But if you don't like your wings to be too saucy, well, you can just leave that and maybe dip it if you want, whatever you want. I personally love it when it's super saucy. So that's what I'm gonna do. You do wings your way, pick your own favorite barbecue sauce, use maple barbecue, use bourbon, whiskey, whatever you prefer. Summer is here and you have your new air fryer and you have this beautiful recipe for wings. So what's your excuse? Go ahead and get cooking. Let me know if you want to see more videos for wings in the air fryer and what are you looking for next. For more videos just like this one, be sure to hit subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.